How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Arzopa portable monitor to your phone. Now, it's going to be extremely simple, and we are going to use a Type-C in order to achieve this. So at the side of your monitor, there's going to be the USB Type-C. We have basically two ports, and Type-C basically now supports video output. So you could use your chargers directly, but of course, you want to use a powerful Type-C device because some wires out there are specifically made only for charging. You want to use one that's supported for data transfers. So from there, after getting your Type-C cable, you just want to plug that onto the side of your monitor, and then you want to plug it directly onto the charging port. Now, depending on the device that you were using, maybe you're using something like a Samsung S something, it's going to be extremely simple. You could just press the button at the corner of your screen and you will be able to use your phone as a touchpad. In other devices out there, you could open up the Smart Connect option, and then you will be able to connect your monitor onto the actual phone. So just navigate properly on the brand that you are using on how you can use the connected monitors. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.